Week 3 Field Experience. This week we had in the library a new display honoring the Winter Olympics. I even found a Math Olympic book that I checked out for my classroom. We currently have reading promotion going on in the library. The Kentucky Bluegrass Awards is held every year on young adult literature. Students across the state vote on their favorite book. Our library media specialist holds our own Kentucky Bluegrass Awards and displays these books that are running for the award and advertises them in order to increase circulation, and then gives the students the chance to read the book and then vote, and she will submit the votes. The Kentucky Bluegrass Award nominee books are Most Dangerous, Orbiting Jupiter, Terror at Bottle Creek, The Greatest Zombie Movie Ever, Soar, Paper Things, Miss Bigsby's Last Day, Stella by Starlight. There's even a slide on our morning announcements as a daily reminder to students to go by the library, check out one of these books, and then vote. I continued some of my same library duties this week, which included shelving books, book checkouts and check-in, collaboration, and also team library visits. This week, Ms. Webb visited my classroom and helped me implement technology within my classroom. Students joined Google Classroom, and their first assignment was to complete the Google Forms Learning Style Reading Inventory Survey. So there is a screenshot of my Google Classrooms that I set up, and then I zoomed in on second period in my Google Classroom as well. The Google Forms Learning Style Reading Inventory, I included that link, but I also have included screenshots of the data. So here are the results. I tallied the results, and they had the choice of being visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learners. As you can see, my results are as below. The majority of my students were visual learners, at 70.7% being visual. Reading inventory. After the learning style inventory, students gathered information on their reading interest. So currently reading a book for pleasure, the majority said no. I would like to change that as this semester goes on. And then when I read a book for pleasure, and I just listed the different types of books that they could read to see what they liked, what they preferred. And reasons that they would be likely to read for pleasure. In the past week, I've read for at least 30 minutes. The majority said either 1 to 2 days or no days. I also learned a little bit about Edpuzzle, which I hope to learn more about as the semester goes on. I plan to collaborate with Ms. Webb in the near future to use this technology tool within my classroom and as a library media specialist. So week 3 is in the books. Week 3 has been another busy and successful week of learning about new resources, implementing new things, and learning how the library operates. I look forward to seeing what the weeks ahead of my field experience will hold for me. Thank you.